First of all, see this video. We make into this type of 4K video. We will learn how to do color grading in video on Capcut. Please subscribe this channel for more information contained. Import your video and tap on video and slide and find the adjust button. Tap on saturation icon and adjust. Then tap on expose and adjust it on plus. Then tap on sharpness and adjust it. Our main process started from HSL. We make color bright from it. We will adjust saturation of all color without touch orange color. Don't adjust orange color. I didn't recommend any number because all video is not same and every video want different adjustments. That's why I didn't recommend number of adjustments. Adjust as you video. Then tap on highlights and adjust as your video. Then tap on shadow and make it plus. And then tap on temperature and make it minus heavy minus sign. You also add filters. I would recommend you to use green lake filter on nature video and greenery video. I hope this video helps you to improve your editing. Don't forget to subscribe and set notification to all. Wait for the result.